Can you believe that some local businesses still don't have a website in this day and age? Today I'm going to show you a lead generation method that taps into this overlooked market. We'll explore how to automate the process of finding these businesses in bulk, connect with them, and offer valuable services like website creation and social media management to help them grow online while making money from it. Make sure to watch the whole tutorial because I'll be showing you how to automate the whole process, minimizing your efforts. Now, why in the world would anyone run a business without a functioning website? Well, multiple reasons. Because they rely on traditional methods, are new, or just simply don't have the time or know the right people to delegate the work to. They just might not realize the importance of an online presence. This market is really overlooked because it's hard to reach these folks since they have no online footprint. There's no place for other agencies to simply scrape their emails from and spam them with offers. And that's where we come in. First, let's talk about how to find these businesses. This is the very short version of the whole process. We'll need to use Google Maps and look for local businesses in your area using keywords like real estate agency or lawyer, because these guys often have the budget to invest. Of course, if you're after any other specific market, be my guest and use the keywords that you like. Dentist, plumber, whatever. Now, what we want to look for specifically are businesses that don't have websites listed in their Google Maps profiles and reach out to them. And that's it. This is the whole workflow which you can start working with right now. But before you close the video, let me show you how to automate this process, because the last thing you want is searching for these manually one by one. Now, for this demo, I'll be using the Google Maps Scraper tool from Botster to scrape Google Maps data in bulk, but you can use whatever tool you're comfortable working with. Now, this particular tool allows you to collect information from Google Maps on multiple businesses at once, saving you a ton of time. Now, let's navigate to Botster, and you can easily find the tool by using the search bar. I'm just gonna type maps and click on the Google Maps Scraper bot. I encourage you to go through the description. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna hit the big green start button and provide the information for the bot to work with. I'm gonna name my job, real estate agents, job 1. Now I need to specify the keywords I want the bot to find on Google Maps. I'm gonna go with real estate agent. I'm gonna grab the first 50 places. And as for location, I'm gonna go with Lower Manhattan. You can specify the data delivery methods. For example, you can ask the bot to send you the results via email or upload the results onto your Google Drive, Slack, send you a webhook, connect this whole thing to Zapier. Not gonna do any of that, just gonna click the Start This Bot button. As you can see, the bot created the job and it's now actively running. All we have to do now is just wait for the bot to finish the task and go through the results. Okay, the job is completed. Let's click on the View Data button. Once we have the complete table with results for the real estate agency query, we can sort the table by websites and see that there's a number of businesses with empty website fields. You can click on some of them and you'll notice there's no website in the profile, but there's a phone number available. Once you've identified these businesses, it's time to reach out to them directly. That means either cold calling or sending them a personalized SMS message, because their phone number is the only way to contact them. By the way, most agencies hate cold calling, which gives you another edge because there's less competition in this approach. Introduce yourself and offer to help them build an online presence, whether that's creating a website, setting up social media accounts, or both. You could say something like, hey, it's Dennis, I make websites and run social media pages for real estate agents, and notice you don't have one. Can I send you a link to my portfolio? The other party has nothing to lose here and they'll probably say yes. All you need to do now is send them your offer and follow up. You can offer monthly website maintenance, advertising services, or SEO to keep their online presence growing. Even better, you can offer to build a website for them for free and just charge them for the maintenance. This is it. This is the whole video. This is the whole methodology. If you found it useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more workflows like this one. See you next time.